Hi there, this is Teacher Carol once again from Camglish.com. Welcome to Essential Grammar in Use, 3rd edition by Raymond Murphy. In today's video, we will continue our lesson about the word get. What else or what other information do we need to know when it comes to this word? How and when are we going to use it in a sentence? Now, we will talk about the word get to, or the word plus the preposition to means to arrive. Get to a place means arrive. For example, I usually get to work before 8:30, meaning you usually arrived at work before 8:30. You can also say, we left London at 10 o'clock and got to Manchester at 12:45. So, in this example, you're saying that you arrived to Manchester at 12:45. Now, let's try to give some more example using the word get to a place that is equal to the word arrive. If someone will ask you this kind of question, like what time did you get there? You can answer like this: I got to the airport at 3 p.m. So meaning you arrived to the airport at 3 p.m. Another example: Brian usually get to school at 7 a.m. So that means that Brian usually arrived to school at 7 a.m. So, is it clear? When and how are we going to use the word get to a place that is equal to the word arrive? Very good. Now that you already know how to use it, let's move on to the next usage. You may also use the word get plus the word here or there without using the word to. For example, how did you get here? By bus? Did you notice that? We didn't use the word get here with the word to. We don't say, how did you get to here? How did you get to here is wrong. Instead, just simply say, how did you get here? Or, how did you get there? Okay? Don't forget that rule. The third one that we will talk about is the word get home. Remember in the previous topic in Unit 52, we don't use the word to when we're talking about the word home. We didn't say, I go to home or I'm going to home. Same thing here. We don't have to use the word to in between the word get and home. Just simply say, get home. For example, what time did you get home last night? You will not say, what time did you get to home last night? If you do that, your sentence will be wrong. So again, don't use the word to if you will say get here or get there and get home. Okay? Very good. So now that you already know how to use the following words, get to a place, which means arrive, get here, or there, and get home, let's move on to letter D. Let's talk about get in or get plus the preposition in, out, on, and off. It is very important to discuss because most non-native speakers are having a hard time to distinguish when are they going to use the word in, out, on, and off together with the word get. Now, let's see. If you are talking to a car, you will use the word get in a car or get out of a car. Again, if you're talking about a car, the only thing that you have to remember is you will use the word get in or get out. Now, if you're talking to those big public transportation, like the following: a bus, a train, or a plane, you will use these two preposition plus the word get. You will now say get on and get off. You can say get on a bus, get on a train, and get on a plane. Get off a bus, get off a train, and get off a plane. Okay? One more time. When we're talking about cars, we will use get in and out. When we're talking about big public transportation like bus, train, and plane, you will use get on and off. Now, to help you understand this more, let's try to use it in a sentence. Kate got in the car and drove away. You can also say Kate got into the car and drove away. Did you notice that? We use the word got in the car or got into the car. Next example. A car stopped and a man got out, but a man got out of the car. So, since we're talking about a car here, we use the word got out or got out of the car. Third example. We got on the bus outside the hotel and got off in Church Street. Since we're talking about bus here, we use the word got on and got off. Okay? Very good. You will get to know more about these expressions when you go to Unit 108, Units 110 and 14 for the preposition in, out, on, and off. And for the word get up, you will learn this more in Unit 114 and get on in Appendix 6. So guys, that will be all for today. Don't forget our today's lesson about the word get. And join me in the next video to check your understanding. We will have some exercises readily available just for you. So this is Teacher Carol saying have fun and goodbye for now.